The Our Place Always Pan 2.0 4QT is a versatile kitchen tool. It aims to replace 10 traditional cookware pieces. This pan can fry and sauté. It can also roast and boil. You can even bake and braise with it. The Our Place Always Pan 2.0 4QT simplifies cooking. It reduces the need for many pots and pans. This saves space and time. The non-stick ceramic surface is a key feature. It is toxin-free for healthier cooking. Food slides off easily, and cleanup is simple. The pan is safe for all cooktops, including induction. It can even go in the oven up to 450 degrees F. This adds to its versatility. The Our Place Always Pan 2.0 4QT has a 4-quart capacity. This makes it great for larger meals. It is also suitable for batch cooking. The design includes a stay-cool handle for safety. This pan comes with a modular lid. The lid helps to trap steam or release it as needed. A nesting Beechwood spatula is also included. It has a built-in spoon rest on the handle. This keeps your countertops clean. The dimensions of the pan are well suited for various cooking tasks. While it offers many advantages, some users note its weight. The Our Place Always Pan 2.0 4QT strives to be a quality product for your kitchen. It aims to enhance your cooking experiencia. Pros: non-stick surface, toxin-free, large 4-quart size 10-in-1 design, aluminum for even heating. Frying and sautéing, oven safe up to 450 degrees F, induction cooktop ready, safe for all cooktops. Char color option. Cons: lid is not super tight, hand washing required, steaming has design flaws, paint may chip easily, handle can get very hot, steamer sits too low, fussy care needed, not for high heat. Can stain, discolor, heavy to maneuver, non-stick may wear off, spatula gets sticky features. Large Always Pan 2.0 to 12.5 4QT non-stick, toxin-free, ceramic cookware, patented 10-in-1 aluminum frying and sauté pan, safe for oven, induction safe, all cooktops. The Our Place Large Always Pan 2.0 is a big 12.5-inch pan that can hold 4 quarts of food. It has a special non-stick coating that is made without harmful stuff and helps food not stick. This pan is designed to do the job of 10 different kitchen tools, like frying and sautéing. You can even put it in the oven up to 450 degrees F and use it on all kinds of stovetops, including induction. The Our Place Large Always Pan 2.0 is a 12.5-inch 4-quart non-stick pan designed to replace 10 traditional cookware pieces. Made with aluminum for even heating and featuring a toxin-free ceramic coating. It's safe for all cooktops, including induction, and oven safe up to 450 degrees F. While it offers a large cooking surface and a non-stick interior in the char color, some drawbacks include a lid that isn't completely tight, the need for hand washing, potential design flaws for steaming, possible chipping of the paint, a handle that can get hot, a steamer basket that sits too low, the requirement for careful use, limitations for high heat cooking, and the potential for staining or discoloration over time. Also, the non-stick might wear off. The included spatula can become sticky, and the pan can be heavy to handle.